Hello everyone and welcome back. It is a cool rainy day here in Virginia and nothing calls to be more than soup when the weather is like this. Let me show you how to make the easiest, tastiest chicken and dumpling soup. This is not my recipe, so I'll link the original recipe below for you if you want to give it a try. The ingredients call for chicken broth, some cream of chicken soup, carrots, celery, and biscuits, and then you also want to have some chicken on hand. The original recipe, she ended up using some rotisserie chicken, but I had some chicken breast that I brined overnight. I decided to start cooking my chicken a bit early because the chicken breasts that I had were huge and I wanted to ensure they were cooked all the way through. The soup only cooked for about 30 minutes total, and I wasn't sure if that was enough time for the chicken to get cooked all the way through. After prepping the vegetables and letting the chicken cook, I removed it from the water and I began to shred it before I started throwing the soup together. I feel like shredding the chicken was the most difficult part. And then after that, I just added all the ingredients in the pan and a few seasonings to add some flavor, including thyme and rosemary, and then my new favorite thing, which is the roasted garlic paste from Better Than Bouillon. After letting the soup simmer, I went ahead and began to cut up my dumplings. In the recipe, she actually cut hers long ways, kind of into strips, but my grandmother used to make this soup and she used to cut the dumplings into quarters, so it was a bit nostalgic for me to do it this way. And when you put them into the soup, you want to do it one by one to keep them from sticking together. Once the dumplings are in, you're going to go ahead and add in the celery and carrots, and I think you have to boil it for about 15 or so minutes. I think I ended up going for about 20 to 25 minutes.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me.
It smells so good, you guys. Oh yes, this is how it's supposed to look. They kind of get condensed. I don't know how to explain it. They kind of condense down a little bit and they feel more dense. This is what she looks like. And I'm honestly ready to eat. So this is the soup, you guys. It smells so good. Little parsley flakes with garnish. Typically, I don't find soups that filling, but between the dumplings and the chicken, this soup was incredibly filling and satiating. I would probably add like a can of corn next time, or possibly another vegetable. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up because that supports me and my channel, which I'm so grateful for. And of course, subscribe for more content. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and I'll see you in 2 days.